Hey guys, it's Tara here. It is August 11, 2018 here in South Korea, and I finally have a weekend to myself, so I am going to the beach. It is full summer over here. I need to jump in the water. It's gonna be a solo vlog today. I won't have any of my friends accompanying me because everyone's kind of doing their own thing. They're either staying at home, they have other plans, they're out of the country because of their summer vacation, so yeah. But yeah, I'm going to Songjeong Beach. Songjeong Beach, my friend told me, has surfing, so you'll probably see some b-roll of surfers today. Alright fam, about 2 hours of traveling later, we're almost at the beach. I don't know if I'm jumping into the water today because actually it's sprinkling right now. It's not supposed to rain very hard today, but it was raining on the bus ride here. We're almost there. Made it at the beach, guys. This is Songjeong Beach behind me. Chill, sunny, semi-sunny, semi-cloudy day at the beach. I don't know what else. I don't know what I'm saying. So I don't know if you can notice behind me somewhere over there, but I spotted the surfers. Am I seeing things? Or does that say YOLO 101? Are you serious, Korea? My friend Hyobong is at his surfing lesson right now. The reason why I'm here is because he suggested for me to come here. Technically, he suggested for me to go surfing before I go over there to stalk him and see what his surf lesson looks like. As you can see, the couple behind me back there, they're a really tan Korean couple, and the girl's like doing Pilates or something as she's tanning. After I woke up from my nap and I saw them, I was like, oh my god, they're darker than me. As I get closer and closer to the side of the beach that has the surfers, I'm realizing there's a very slim chance I'm even gonna be able to see him because there's a ton of surfers over there. There are too many people who could not see him. Also, it's just a bunch of people sitting on their surfboards waiting for the right wave. At the moment, kind of boring to watch. Go back to my little corner, eat my kimbap, and take another nap.
Are you believing safety?
What are you doing? Why are you being weird? Put a lot in there. Oh my god. Good morning. It's actually not morning anymore. It's about 1:30 p.m. Last night after dinner with my friend Hyobom, we kind of just went home because we were both so tired. So yeah, I didn't really end the vlog very clearly. After I finish my laundry, I'm gonna meet up Ray for some coffee and chismis time because apparently we can't go a weekend without seeing each other. I'm gonna finish putting on a little bit of a face and you will see Ray in a bit.
Yeah, right. Guess who's back? The new her.
Oh yeah, you guys haven't seen the new hair. What do you think, fans? What do you think? Work.
I got it at a ratchet salon.
Yeah, Ray and I were just talking about how I think for the past few months we've seen each other every single weekend and we can't seem to stop hanging out.
It's an addiction. You can call 1-800 Stop Tara and Ray from meeting.
Or we can just wait after September 3rd. Oh, sentimental.
Oh, no. All ready? Clink.
Clink. That's so gay.
No love.
No love. No love.
I have no love.
Sedimode. The sun is hot, you are the corrects. And I actually wanted to come here during springtime when a lot of the flowers were in bloom, but because there's a rose park in town too, and I kind of got my spring flower pictures during that rose park visit, I didn't come here.
It's kind of weird.
And this is the ray. And there is a bee!
Oh, that freaked me out.
I freaked myself out.
Oh, but Yoon, do you just like double tteokbokki, or do you like double tteokbokki with bacon? Okay, good. I'm shocked. Yeah, you know, rapper. Like.
You know it's recording video, right?
Three? Tara, where are we?
We are at High Five American Diner right now here in Changwon, South Korea. And we're trying American-style burgers here. And look at the cute little Coca-Cola bottles.
Wow. When was the last time? She did the recording, that's why. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow.
It is big.
Yum.
And then jump. and then they said, don't jump. We're reminiscing.
I can see that. Don't trip, please.
When we went paragliding, right? Like the guy was just like, make sure that you run and then just keep running. Don't jump.
Yeah.
But I don't know, I got really scared. So I was running. And then I got to the end and then I felt like, I'm gonna jump. And they were like, Ray, what are you doing? Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Welcome to my channel.
Oh my god.
What's that?
I don't know. What is that? It looks scary.
Killing.
It's a ghost.
Yes.
Oh no? Oh, sorry.
Killing cat.
Killing cat, he said. It's like, you know, like when they do like.
It's just water.
You can't see me.
Like, my friends are weird.
You can't see me.
Apparently, we're walking through killing gas.
The rainforest.
The rainforest.
Don't breathe. Don't breathe.
It's not doing it.
No sunset for you.
It's just brightness. We are heading to the bus stop to drop him off, and
That is
then
correct.
I am going to the homes, and then we are gonna call it a night. His vacation has started, and I have work as usual.
Yo, this glow up is nice.
Okay.
I don't know, it looks like, you know, like it's dark, but it's not dark, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Bye vlog.
Bye, good night, see you next time.
Glowing.
What is next time?
I don't know.
I have no idea either.
Bye bye.
I keep telling it to you guys, bye, sorry.